हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल जेपी टेक सोल टेक एडवाइजर। मैं हूं आनंद जोड़कर, आपका दोस्त और आपका टेक्निकल एडवाइजर। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ वी कैन इंस्टॉल और रिमूव द विंडोज डिफेंडर फायरवॉल सर्विसेज फ्रॉम server 2019. So without wasting time, let's see how we can uninstall or remove the Windows Defender firewall services. First, first of all, we need to see the steps for doing the same operation. Okay, let's see and go to our server. First, we need to log on to the our server. Here I am inserting password. After coming over here, press Windows plus R button. Here we need to type a CMD. After getting a CMD screen, type a command. To verify whether the service is running or not. Okay, here we can get the details and it's showing the service is still running. It's showing the status running. After getting this, go to the PowerShell. Now the PowerShell window will come. If it is not came, don't worry about the same. Just go to the start menu and type PowerShell. Here you can get the Windows PowerShell platform. On the same platform, we need to type a command for uninstalling the Windows Defender firewall service. So let's see which command we need to type. You can directly copy this command which is mentioned on screen or mentioned in the description. After getting this, paste a command and hit enter. It collecting data. It's showing this removal process is started, and after completion of this removal process, you must need to be restart your Windows Server 2019. After removing, you can easily install another antivirus or any antivirus software on the same. Why we need to uninstall this Windows Defender services? Because if it is already running and we try to install any another application, then it will be restricted. First, for hence, we need to uninstall the Windows Firewall Defender services. Okay, then let's see. Restart our server. Continue. After this restarting, you can go and install the another antivirus on your server to protecting your data and security measure. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel JP Tech Advisor. See you soon. Bye.